All right, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, outside of Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated, a Hammond organ shop. And we're gonna go inside. It's dark out here. This is my new Hammond organ room where I can come and disassemble Hammond organs, store Hammond organs, rebuild Hammond organs, refurbish Hammond organs, do whatever I need to do with Hammond organs so that they can be sold and placed in the churches and in homes. So this is what it looks like at night. Previous video was taken during the daylight hours. I didn't mention this. This is a maitre d' over here where I have some cold drinks, some Dasani, and some grapefruit juice, which I like to drink. And here comes Mrs. Hammond Doc, my wife Gina. So we've been busy here. Let me close this door. A storage area. And in fact, that's a Hammond B3 organ bench there. Just got that last week and brought it on here and I put that up myself. So we got storage space here for items that I can get out of, move from other areas and other locations and store in here. All right, just wanted to share this with you. Dr. Kemp, making progress. The Hammond Doc. Peace out.